Good morning, guys. So now I'm here again as per my daily routine. It's 9th of March 2026, and I am on my practice. I am consistent, and if I talk about today's weather morning, it's still foggy. It's 7 o'clock a.m. in this morning, and it's still foggy and a bit airy too. But overall, this ambience weather is so beautiful. I can't explain by my words. So I want to imbibe all this nature, beautiful nature, because the sky is foggy and cloudy, some cloudy, and the birds are chirping. They are flying here and there, and you can see behind my tree. It's a I don't know the English of kapas tree. So the red flower on the kapas tree that makes it beautiful, and Surya Narayan has come out, and my phone camera doesn't show it because its camera is not able to capture it. So it is the day, and I'm thinking about last past day, and it was quite engaging because it had Holi and so many. For that uh, festival, I I had been very engaged, and the entire weekend I was engaged. Earlier, I had planned to give my more attention on this because it was holiday all entire week, and I had planned to focus on my own more practice, and but I failed because of if even I wanted to do so, but the surroundings doesn't allow me. Sometimes weather, sometimes relatives, sometimes family member. They they all had uh, they all had free time, and they all wanted to enjoy. And being a family member, I uh, had to celebrate them, and so my willingness, my willing to my decision, I I I made decision that I would more consistent on, because I had leisure time, but I couldn't make it. So it was the day. If I talk about yesterday, it was Sunday, and I had planned to give so much time on in terms of reading and shadowing practice, but I didn't. do because of I had to go to some ceremony party, um, and so I couldn't find time. I couldn't find time to give so much attention, but after recording video in morning and after exercising and after uploading video, I made two funny reel for my Facebook, Instagram, and my channel English with English 5 with Aman too, and I uploaded them. So I felt a bit contented because of making that videos, because when you do intentionally anything to be make funny or make something engaging, exciting, then that took your time so much. If I talk about this video, daily video, I don't do anything, just I open my camera and record it and just upload it. But when I make some reel and shorts, then I have to edit them and think about the right caption and the background music. So this all part of editing keep me very engaged. So but like daily practice video, I don't bother about to impress anyone. I just bother about express myself and be consistent myself. So it is all about, and definitely since I had when I had started it, I was more hesitant, and due to regular doing this kind of activities, and I nowadays I don't feel so hesitant, and in a public sometimes I feel some hesitation, but this by the help of this practice I also feel less hesitation in public, and I can make some sentences or speak sentences freely in public. This is the result of the regular practice of I think 1.5 month, or I can say it is going to finish 2 months. 10th of March it will be 2 months since I had been started it. So it is all about, and my biggest problem is whenever I came on this time, I always think about what should I talk about today, and nothing comes in my mind, and I just open the camera and just start speaking randomly, and this is where I do practice. I want to practice, because if I previously prepare for something 5 to 10 lines, then I will speak, then I don't think it will uh, mm, much good, because in my uh, thinking, in my opinion, uh, English should be come from your mouth automatically when you need to speak in public, impromptu. Then it should be come out from mouth effortlessly. So this is why I do this exercise morning. But I am thinking that I should make 2 videos at least a day. In the morning time, it should be a random topic like I do, and in evening I should be prepared for some specific topic about, and I should talk about it. So this is what I want to incorporate my daily routine, and still I am facing the problem when I need to describe things. I am not able to describe only 2 or 3 lines after I don't think, I don't nothing come in my mind what should I speak next. So this is the problem I am facing nowadays, but I have also conquered this situation. So this is what all about. Earlier when I came here for practice, I was confused and I was nervous. So because there was nothing to say, but I simply just took this phone from my pocket and opened this camera and start speaking. So this is the mantra of moving forward, I can say. So sometimes overthinking and over fearing something, it's stop you. It's up to you how you take it and how you manage it. And my management is that just don't think about, don't overthink, and just move forward and see what happened and what happened. So what if I start something and in the middle of something I got stuck? Then automatically some solution will come, and we will overcome in that situation. This is what I am this is what I think in any situation. So we shouldn't think about before starting anything. Just go and face the situation. Then definitely you will find something which you can't find sitting and thinking what to do or what to not to do. So this is what all about in this video. So here I am winding up this video and taking your leave. Have a nice day, and thank you very much once again.